And today we're off to Selfridges, a department store in London's Oxford Street, which is over 100 years old. I really hope they don't pedestrianise it. It would kill it off completely.
Me? You want to come around, Mum?
Thank you.
Do you want to do the other one as well?
Possibly not.
No?
Oh,
Try going.
there we go. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Oh, what's up, Peter? Taking away any
Thank you
doubt,
very
can we
much.
not?
Thank you.
Have a lovely afternoon.
Thank you. Oh, they say diamonds are a girl's best friend, don't they?
Food hall, please. Yeah.
Left, and say civil left there.
There's a lift. Is there? Thank you. Brilliant. Thank you very much.
Okay, that's lovely, thank you.
Do you want me to come with you up? And then you know when you get inside, you have to keep holding number 1 all the way up. Okay? Perfect. You sure it'll be okay to push the doors? Yeah. Is it strong enough? The machine? Yeah, 400 horses?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
What would you like?
2 of those, please.
Yeah.
And 2 of the silver skin onion, thank you. It must be a huge temptation if you work near here.
Hi there. Do you have sausage rolls?
No, we don't do it. We don't do it here anymore, darling.
They've discontinued ours.
You can't.
They're
Oh,
testing us.
over there. Thank you. Hi there, could I have 2 of the sausage rolls, please?
Sorry, one moment. Which one would you...
I'm a crispaholic, so this was my favourite section.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
That's good.
I spent far too much.
Did ya?
Look at that big bag of... How do I get to
You didn't
the...
make up today. Another fortune.
I'm okay, thank you. How do I get to the lower ground
You
floor?
have to go to the right hand side, the next.
I find the Ray-Ban Meta glasses?
Over just right now.
Okay, thank you very
No
much.
worries at all.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's such a cool camera.
Thank you.
Is it the GoPro?
Yeah.
Join me in part 2, where I take a trip to the lower ground floor and a wander through the chocolate department, and then a wild goose chase to find a working access toilet. See you there.